Where are we, dog?
RD's, man.
Radical Daniel.
Radical Daniel.
Yeah.
I love it here, man.
Yeah, me too. This place is sick.
Wow, HGK's got black bumper.
Oh, yeah, they got all freshened up. Powder coat, ready for 2018. Real good mods.
Goodness.
Hey, place is ours, dude. Take whatever you can carry.
8 Supras.
Yeah, this place is super, super awesome. Radical Dan's Pro car. He's got subframes out. He's getting this thing ready for cleanup. Maybe some paint, looks like. We'll clean up in the engine bay. It's 2 2Js. More than 1 2Js.
4 JZ.
Yeah. This is one from the race car, and then this is the 2J kart.
2J kart, dude.
Which is the coolest.
This fair.
Yeah. He built this rad little go-kart frame for the spare motor, so it just kind of wheels around, has its own stand, and looks sick. Super sick.
This is so cool.
Yeah, rear subframe out. He's going for it, dude.
He's going for it.
Yeah, it's catching up to us, man.
Sick little cart.
Taking his car apart. It's the easy, fun part. And then, what else are we working on? What else are we working on? Got all kinds of cool stuff. Andrew's gearbox. These 2 are mine. Got 2 of my quick changes over here that he's gonna fix for me. Tear them apart, check all the backlash, check all the internals, make sure there's no cracks, no damage. So we'll be all set there. And so he's got his same Sonos apart. That's pretty rad. The thing is looking good. Radical Dan runs the same Sonos 6-speed or 5-speed sequential. Yeah, and we run a Hollinger 6-speed sequential. Seems to be the common trend with all the turbo cars going sequential. More gears, more choices for wheel speed, easier shifting, use of flat shifting, things like that. Very beneficial for us. Radical Daniel! What's up, dog?
Dan, what did that photo get to now that we're...
Oh, we're on camera, so we shouldn't talk about it. But 21,000 likes.
Which one?
That's my record.
Which one?
This
This is all we talk about. All we talk about is cars, and if you're within Rad Industries, Supras specifically, but and Instagram likes, I guess.
Yeah, I guess.
What photo was it?
The only it was like the body panel with me like.
Yeah.
It was like me wishing.
That's
I
a
could
good
be a
one.
race car driver when I grow up.
That was a good one. Yeah.
We
Well,
also do a lot of stuff with pallets here. You want a pallet?
I do want a
give you
pallet, dude.
Yeah.
Man, yeah, this guy is just a gift that keeps on
We
giving.
got some pallets here, and then we can go in the back, and there's other pallets.
Man, we have a choice. Dude, we actually have a choice, dog.
What flavor do we want?
Oh my! Well, this one's looking pretty stellar.
I don't
You
want
think we
that
can
one.
upgrade from this one?
Yeah, let's go in the back.
Okay. All right. Yeah. That's a good plan B. Woo, backlot. Dirty Joe.
Yeah. DJ back here.
DJ.
dude.
Then there's super parts,
More super parts.
super motors, and
Super
pallets.
motors.
In A though.
That's they misspelled super on that
Yeah, well
one.
that came out of an SC300. I lied. Okay, you can't have this one. Anything else but this one.
All right.
What do you
It's like-
think?
When you put on the fork.
The smaller one would be good.
Oh,
This
you
one
want
in
this
front. Yeah, I mean we just have the one cart and we
It
can
says,
stack
like,
the boxes up around
if
it.
wood did patina, there's like the wood patina.
Yeah, dude, this is some reclaimed skid pallets right here.
Tapina.
Patina. This one's looking stellar, dude. Say all we do is come by Rad Dan, bother him, and take his stuff. I don't want to drop the pallet on the Corvette. So what are you working on today, Dan?
I was working on, or planned to work on my car. Instantly got sucked into doing like homework, like paperwork.
Yeah.
Emails.
See, I was trying to do some editing this morning, which just turned into research. I didn't do any editing, so now I'm behind. So you know what we should do? We should just add more stuff to edit and make our jobs even more difficult.
And then we just,
Yeah, it's like the work list. Let's instead of work on the car, let's sit around and make lists of more stuff to
We
do.
have this really cool idea that I'm gonna make a video of, and then it'll be like. Friday night. Just like a bunch of
I like it.
me and Jeff were like, yeah, we only have like one of you and one more of me. And
It'd be
then
good.
We can get it all done.
We need like
we can get everything done.
we had 3 or 4 Chris Forsbergs and 3 Dylans.
That's
You
that's
could be
a that's a
this is what
bad
we're
problem to
saying.
have,
You
man.
could still do Pro 2, and one of you could help him, and then the other 3 of you would be like, or 2 of you are your crew,
Would be-
and then like
Don't forget
you'll-
you need one for social.
And then you'll be
One
that
guy
was
taking
it, like,
pictures.
I think like, did you film this? Did you edit this? Did you post it? Okay, and then you'll be like your own pit crew also, but one Dylan, and then one of you can be spotting for him. So you're set.
Dude, we got it all figured
We
out.
need like at least, we'll just order up a dozen of ourselves and we'll just start with that. We'll probably,
And,
Yeah.
probably
but
use
like,
a couple
and
more.
you'll be like, okay, you're Dylan 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, because like they're
And
gonna
I
get
am
jealous
original.
of the 1.0. Yeah, they'll be jealous of
They
you.
need to
but
be
you're
like,
look,
they
just
need to be all like an inch shorter.
I was gonna
And-
say, yeah.
Just like-
Do they get dumber as they go?
progressively dumber.
So you can,
I'm
you know,
pretty
then you
dumb
don't
the way
feel
it
bad
is.
about
I don't
having
know.
one sweep the floors.
Yeah.
But
Dylan,
Dylan
11
1.6, sweep the floors and scrub that.
You just only know how to use a pressure washer.
Yeah.
That'd be
good.
That'll do it.
So what are you guys doing?
Well, we came here to steal some stuff, and then we're gonna go down and drop it all off. Gonna get on with the rest of our day, right? We're gonna meet Paco down at the shop. He's dropping off a brand new Doof Kit for him.
Yeah.
Yeah, he
He's
drove
over here?
all the way from Arizona just to drop off a kit for him.
I wouldn't
Not
say that,
true.
but-
Not true.
Not true. I was like, wow,
Not
this
true at
would
all.
Sound really cool. I'm not that cool.
Shh, yeah,
Yeah.
we'll leave that in.
Okay.
But dropping off a kit for him and like Odie and a couple other guys. Chris from AEM, I think, is gonna stop by later with Jessica. We're all just gonna maybe hang out.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That's gonna be fun.
Whoa. Yeah. What are you doing later?
Nothing.
See where this is going, Dan?
Yeah. Okay, we're hanging out later then.
Yeah. We might all be at my place.
I have to wake up at 4 in the morning to get on a plane, but I'll hang out.
Well, he doesn't have to fly the plane, so I mean, all you gotta do is get yourself into an Uber. That's it.
Yeah.
Hey, another video idea is like you could be sitting there and be like, whoa, I want to, like I was gonna do this. You could do it easily too. Be like, you know, I don't want to do this,
Uh-oh.
and then
You got a lurker, dude.
yeah, we
Uh-oh.
do this,
You know?
and then 17 cars.
See, what I thought you were gonna get at,
But- 'cause
which
I
would be
would-
awesome,
Oh.
with the multiple Rad Dan situation,
Oh.
you could be your own demo crew.
Oh,
Go out to the track and have 6 Supras driving together, dude. Think
That would
about
be
that.
cool.
That would be cool.
He now has one goal to start cloning himself. 6 Supras on the track.
So at once.
It's gonna be sick. Yeah, but you're gonna need to make about 12 of you to build them all first.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'll do it.
Then the other 6 can stay back here and run the shop while you guys go party.
That'd be cool.
That would be cool. I was watching.
I didn't even pay myself either.
I was clicking around videos and I found the early video of us from back in like 2011 drifting
Yeah,
around.
I
Yeah.
have some too.
Yeah. I guys are archiving those.
Dang, we should actually should put that in the interview thing, huh?
Be good.
Oh,
Let's
that
cut
would
it
be
in.
good.
Yeah.
That would be good.
Just a quick clip. Word up. Well, we gotta get going because Paco's waiting, but let's go say hi to Renee first before I don't want to just cruise in and roll out.
Is Paco there?
No, not yet. But you know, I want to unload our stuff too, and
It still looks cool.
I know.
it does look
It's like a
cool.
little party. They're parallel
Can I
parties.
take a picture of it, Dan?
Yeah, they all valet. They backed in.
25 minutes away.
And Radical Daniel's better half.
Hey.
Hey, what's up?
How you doing?
Just trying to be cool like you guys. No, just telling Dan, Paco, and then Chris from AEM. They're probably gonna be coming by and hanging out later tonight because Paco's in town and Chris wants to come meet up. So, just saying, if you guys want to cruise by, let us know.
Yeah.
We'll be around. Yeah,
All right.
sounds good.
Thanks for
All
coming,
right.
Chris.
Yep. See you later, Renee.
See ya.
Have a good one. Those two are so rad, and not just in the sense of the word, but truly so cool.
Yeah, earlier we were rolling out.
Yeah. You go say your goodbyes. All right, time to go. Loading up time. You got it there, dog?
I got
Still
her.
muscling?
I got her.
Sweet. You want to take this van?
Oh,
the
dude.
race van? Love the race van.
That thing's a pre-runner.
Pass her up.
Winter.
Mhm.
Perfect.
Got her. All right,
We're out.
let's roll. So we just got down to Costa Mesa to the shop, and look who we found. Dylan! We found Dylan! Hey, now he's over here. We got Paco! Yeah, an 8-bit.
Hey.
And his wife, hello. How are you?
That's a pretty sweet shirt. I
Yeah,
like
I was gonna say, and Batgirl's here, which is awesome. But so, what are you doing with this thing? Why do you have another Lexus?
What can we do with it?
What can we do? I'll do a reverse Bernie right off this trailer. With the first things first. Yeah.
Wouldn't be the
reverse
first time.
lemon.
It would not be the first time, man. I am experienced. I've done it at least once in someone else's car, so we're ready to go. But what I do see is the most glorious interior of all time. This blue and white. Whoa, and it goes striped across.
Yeah.
Wow.
Monitors behind the headrests, all that.
Wow. Oh, man. And they're a good fit. They are a perfect fit. Wood grain, master tech.
They were a good fit 12
True. Yeah. Yeah. You can tell this thing is crispy fresh based on the 15-year-old registration tag. So this thing's seen the road pretty recently, right? Yeah. She's probably lubed up, tuned up, and ready to go.
This is from Fast and Furious 1, maybe 2.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah. No, for real. This is like fresh into the F&F days. So what are your plans with this?
I actually looking forward to just building it. It doesn't have an engine or trans, so I'm just considering options right now to just get it running and just
Street
have
car,
fun.
track car?
Street, drift, track, yeah, all the good stuff.
Like strip it, keep the interior. Or?
I don't know
Interior's
about
pretty sick.
The interior is
You gotta learn to
definitely
live
a
with that
choice.
leather
Yeah.
interior, man.
Yeah.
But I think as we build it, we'll figure out more about as the style kind of develops when we put it together, what we want to do. But just mostly just out to just swing a big 4-door car and have fun.
Dude, you don't gotta tell me about that. That's my fave.
Yeah, that's what I hear.
Well, you
So
know, I
we'll
mean,
stay tuned to the Driftcast. I'm sure hear the updates.
As you probably saw, he already destroyed one of these.
Yeah, yours, right?
Mine,
Yeah,
when I
you got
was-
to watch it.
Yeah.
Front row,
Well,
right
okay.
at the wall.
Oh yeah, like I can spray.
Hey,
the
stop that!
plastic.
Hey, stop that!
I was encouraging, so it was my fault.
Oh, then that is your fault.
I fell in love with the LS400 after that, though. I mean, I just loved the way the car felt, even as it wasn't like a perfectly built, like we didn't tune it or anything like that.
Excuse me?
Just well, it was enough.
This
to
car
slide
was
it around.
perfectly built. It was excellent.
It was a beautiful paint
Paco
job
built
that
it
I destroyed unintentionally.
That was the best part.
It was a nice looking car.
Every time
Yeah.
he drove,
And
I
so
could
now
still
you're
smell
replacing
it.
it with this?
This was just curing from the night before.
So,
Oh yeah, it's fresh paint.
yeah.
Yeah,
It's just-
that's what I'm saying. That thing was fresh to death, and now that one's
Nice
gonna
paint
become.
job.
That car's now the track beater, like wreck
Yeah,
car, and this fine piece of machinery. Oh, wait a minute. Illmatic, dude!
What?
Yeah, this thing. This is the new hot boy car.
This thing is
He doesn't
ew.
know what that is. This
thing
is
is
way
ew.
off your
Dude,
way
dude.
off your era.
Yeah, Dylan was not even alive yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know how I know? The multi-drilled white flat-face wheels, man. Those wheels are probably from 2003 themselves.
AKA Universal.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
universal.
Yeah.
Yeah. They'll fit any car, any tuner car.
Nice trailer.
We have something else for the dozer.
Yeah, what do we got back
Billy
here?
Dozer.
This
Well,
is
take a look.
This is what I was.
Oh,
really
Paco
curious
brought me a fresh kit for my 240. Oh, thanks, buddy. Thanks, buddy.
you got
But actually, my 240 is not out here, so I don't need it.
Drive it all the way.
Yeah, you're gonna have to drive back through Arizona, back to New Jersey,
way.
all the
Okay,
way
yeah,
out.
well.
So, or
Dang.
you know, maybe Dylan wants it.
Dylan, I mean, I don't know. Do you think it's worth it, dude?
I don't know, man. Yeah, he's
Look at him,
okay.
He's already kind of like.
Yeah, he's
I
Picture
like
himself.
it.
he's getting
dude.
fresh with it.
I like
I don't know if I want it anymore.
He made it his own, like the same
Yeah.
way that Brian wrecked one car. He's already wrecking this.
That's right.
That's just the way to do it,
I'm
buddy.
gonna give it love, dude. I am really pumped for this little step down right in the middle though, because I think it looks really cool in your car.
It looks really good. I do like that. But nah, this will be sick, man. Dylan's in the Doof Club. That's
Yeah.
cool, dude.
Hey,
Get your car freshened up, ready to go for Pro 2 this year.
Gotta look good for the mummies, right?
It does,
That's
dude.
right. I
It
saw that
does.
text. I was like, yeah.
It does. But yeah, man.
Oh, I love those.
Old
side texts.
Paco and the 2F body kit, one of the coolest looking kits. I have the exact same one on my 240 out of E-Town. Yeah, look at that. Like you were saying, the You got the Koki style turn signals, or you notch them out if you're not going to run them. You got the step down in the middle for the venting. I remember when you were sending me the sketches.
Yeah.
You're like, oh, we're thinking about doing this. I'm like,
What do you
that's
think about that?
sick.
Like, let's do it.
Yeah.
I think it looks pretty cool with your Sylvia hood.
Yeah.
I think so too.
No, it's gonna look
like I said,
perfect.
it'll kind of like because it doesn't fit all that well with the bumper that I have on it now. It kind of like sits up a little bit, so I think that like having this there will kind of give it like a better look, and it will make it look a little more finished.
No, totally. It's gonna look good.
Speaking of hot boy status.
Hot boy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's
Let's
load her in then.
I gotta go.
Sweet.
Put these upstairs and figure out what I'm gonna paint it.
Fun fact. The
We have a patent on that segment, by the way.
Yeah, fun fact, like what I was saying, it was this kit, the pop-up style 240SX S13 kit. I have the first one.
Yeah, actually you do.
Really?
Yeah.
I
I have the very first one.
Fresh off the mold.
Yeah. Cause he, like I said, he was doing the sketches and sending them out, and then I remember it was like fresh from the mold. You guys didn't even have time to like buff the edges out. I like kind of finished them up, and we sprayed them and went straight to Freedom Moves.
And
2015. I think.
yeah, and that was like the missile crisis.
Yeah, that was when we rebuilt the missile. So me and Dylan redid the front end, and then you guys did the front bumper for it, the actual steel bumper.
The bash bar came with it.
Yeah, we just built it out to the frame and went from there. Sweet, man. Well, this is gonna look super good.
It's gonna look
super good.
It's
gonna look super
take it
dope.
back and fit that bumper on there and see what it looks like with that hood.
Where's your car? Is it Chris's
It's at my house.
Yeah, that was like,
We'll see it soon.
Yeah,
There's just no room for it there. This will sit outside, so we'll shove it up in the rafters. But word up.
Bumper back.